How to redeem Google Play points. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. In this video, I will guide you how you can redeem your Google Play points. Google Play Points is a program that rewards over 220 million members for engaging with the Play ecosystem. Selected developers are invited to provide app-specific Play Points promotion, which provides even greater rewards. So go ahead and open up your Play Store and make sure to sign into your account. Now, you want to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. From here, if you have participated in Google Play Points, it's going to appear over here along with your level. Simply tap on that. Then it's going to take you to this interface. Here you can find your level. Here you have three different categories: earn, use, and perks. In the earn section, you can earn different points, such as here it says earn 3 points per $1, earn 4 points per $1. So you can choose whichever you want to earn your points. Once you have accumulated enough points and you want to redeem it, you want to tap on the use section. From here, you can redeem your points. So here you have one $3 coupon for 300 points. So you can go ahead and tap on that if you want to redeem that. And in the same way, you can redeem others as well. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.